Good afternoon, you lovely people. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a very simple pimple ring pour for you today. Just with some sort of sunsetty colours, but with a little bit of a twist. Because I want to put some gold and I've got some rose gold and some goldy gold, as you call it, gold. So yeah, it's just on this little canvas, so it's going to be a quick one for you, hopefully. I'm going to load my cups up. Everything that I'm using is the Mont Studio Acrylics, mixed with my 70% craft glue, 30%. I mix them in these containers, and I'll put about 30% warm water, give them a real good shake to mix them, and then definitely leave them for a few hours for all the bubbles to go down. Then I just add it to my paint just as required. Okay, so this is the this particular one is the rose gold, and I've mixed it with a bit of Floetrol. This is the only difference in this ring pour that I'm just testing out. So the rose gold and the gold are the Mont pouring paints, and I've just mixed them about 50-50 with Floetrol. Everything else is mixed with my other stuff, but I just wanted to see if this would give me any kind of different effect in my ring pour. So here we go. I'm going to put my rose gold on the bottom and my goldy gold. So the idea of loading it up on the bottom is that it'll be the last thing out of the cup. So just going to see how it goes. Just adding a little bit of the phthalo blue. Now this is just mixed with my normal, like I said, my glue, PVA glue, and water. So it's the nice brightness in the mix there, and the red. So that's the bright yellow and the brilliant red. So it was just a little test to see if the pouring paints made the whole ring pour react any differently than it would normally. So just giving it a try. So hopefully this is just a quick creation for you. Hope your day's been going stunningly beautiful. It's a little bit of orange I'm added. This was actually white, and I added the orange, so it was a dulled down version of the orange. And I'm going to just add the last bit of the rose gold and the goldy gold over the top. See what we excuse me. See what we come out with. Well, I hope you guys are all going well and you're coping with this isolation or the goings on in the different parts of the world. Just keeping yourself sane and creating, hopefully, going for walks and exercise if you're able to. Just keeping your mind active on something that gives you joy. Excuse me. Oh, I had white there. I was going to. Anyhow, we'll just give it the ring pour. Ring pour. Oh, that's so sheeny, shiny. Bringing it down closer. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. Beautiful. Don't want to kind of shake it up too much to create any mud in there. Thinking I should move and go up the top, but I will keep it doing the ring thing. See how we go. Not seeing the other colours coming out too much yet, like except for the blue and the gold and rose gold, but that's all good because it's coming. Oh, those rings are very defined, which is really nice. So it'd be interesting to see if just the Floetrol in those two metallic colours causes any like cloudiness happening, any but the thing is as well, in all of my other colours, in the red, orange and blue and yellow, I did put 2 drops of Helmar silicone. So my pouring recipe for this is in the drop down box underneath this video, and my pouring medium recipe is there too, so anybody that asks me, that's where it is all written for you guys. Oh, look at this, beautiful. The suppliers are in the drop down box. I have a link to my supplier, or if you're in the US or a UK, Amazon, you can get all these same products from Amazon. Oh, that is so gorgeous. It's really glistening. Okay, somebody's arriving as always when I'm doing a video. I'm tempted to kind of travel up the canvas, but it's going off one side. But I'll try and keep the first thought, which was just to keep it in the center as a ring. Go from there. Oh, come on, I'm losing my ringy thing, my ringy swing. Try and get down and low. The gorgeous colours. Oh, it's going off that other side there. Probably I've got enough. Ah, okay, I don't want to lose all that gorgeous shimmery. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, it's going to lose that lovely gold there. Kind of looks like the deep passage through the center there. It kind of looks 3D looking. It's very shimmery and shiny in that where I've used the Mont pouring paint in the gold and the rose gold. Hey guys, unbelievably very shimmery. I don't want to tilt any more off, but wonder if I just start creating another little circle over here just for something different. Let's give it a go. Let's create something off there. Let's try doing something got this paint left in the cup, so it might as well be used to do me corners. That is so gorgeous and shimmery. Shimmery. I like that word of late, don't I? Oh, okie doke. Wow. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't mind these bits off the end. That's a good way of filling your corner up with just some more little ring pouring the corners. Wow, wowzers. I might actually use my butane torch. Haven't used it for a long time. I do love my heat gun, but let me give this a whirl. Somebody's been asking me to use my heat torch, so okay, there's a lot more scary, a lot more heat and a lot more trouble. Okay, I'm not going to do any more with that. Oh wow, look at that reacting in there. I will leave that for a minute or two and come back with the results of how it turns out. I shall finish those edges off with the paint that has dropped underneath it, so just bear with me. So as you can see, it kind of took on a whole little life of its own and developed with a few kind of weird and wonderful things in there. So thank you guys for joining me, and not forgetting my joke for the day. If a child refuses to sleep during nap time, are they guilty of resisting arrest? Another silly nanny joke, I know, but you've all put odd little jokes in the comments for me to use, so I'm writing down the jokes that I kind of want to get through and put on my channel. So thank you guys for that. Thanks for joining me in some silly nana time, and bye for now until next time.